Hey there everybody, what is going on? My name is Aditya and welcome back to another brand new video regarding the semantic UI's theming process. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the project directory structure and let's just jump right into it without any further ado. So basically we have three different folders over here, one of which was created last time when we built the gulp using gulp build command, and other two are the default folders, and we are basically going to be checking the source folder only, and then there's the task folder which you can go ahead and use if you want. But we are going to be getting into that one thing too. And there's the gulp file.js which has got entire setup for the gulp that we are going to be using, and in case we want to build only all the how we are going to be building these all the components, we specified gulp build. Basically it triggered it right from here, gulp and then build. So in case we wanted to build only JS files, it was build.js, it was build CSS, and build assets. These were three different options that we had, and we could have cleaned it, we could have versioned it, like I don't know, versioning is like those semantic versionings, do you know, 0.0.1 and stuff like that. 2.2.9 is the current version of the semantic UI, which is 0.2 greater than the last time I had created the semantic UI series, which was at 2.2.7 or 2.2.6. I don't remember it perfectly. That's not the point of this video. So then there's dist folder which has all those minified and normal files. This is the minified file for the semantic UI. Well, you can obviously anytime go ahead remove all of these comments, but I don't think so that's really possible. But because there's the reset file inside of this, all other the basic things that semantic UI provides, this file might be looking ugly over here, but it saves a ton of data. And then there's the normal files, the other files that we don't really care about. Then there's source folder which we really care about, and inside of which there's the theme.less. Now in case you don't have the less package installed on your Sublime Text, because Sublime Text does not give the default option to go ahead and specify that you are working with a less project, so you gotta install it. I had not installed it on my system earlier because I was using Atom, but now I'm going back to the Sublime old school type of thing. So I'm gonna be hitting less, and there we go. So that's how exactly it looks like, and basically just a couple of things, UI overridings, then the what kind of font do we want and stuff like that. You don't have to edit this file, by the way. Don't edit this file. Then there's theme.config file, which again is not by default set at .less, so we have to set it at .less, and basically you're going to be finding a couple of options over here. Now global wise, we are going to be explaining this file later on anyways, so I don't care about it. But remember, there's the default options set right over here, and then there's the themes folder set at the themes, and the site folder is set at site slash, and this is the site. So just remember this much, and there's we are importing the theme semantic.less. Now this file has got every other module and the component that semantic UI has. You're going to be finding out about those over here in the definitions, behavior, what kind of API they are using. You can check it out. You can see all of these files that are present inside under the behaviors, collections, under the definitions, everything is there. So by the way, we don't really care about again definitions that much. Then there's the themes folder which has got all other themes. So remember I asked you to remember the default one. This is the default one. And then there's the asset folder, there's font folder which has a couple of fonts, and then there's images folder which has got the flags of all the countries, and the default one is one which provides everything. Bootstrap 3 only provides the buttons, and you can go ahead and go through every single one of these. Amazon provides buttons and site variables, which means a couple of those tweaks for the colors. Those are provided in here. You can see it over here, because every time we are mentioning their .ui .black, that means the black colored UI, and I mean you get the context, right? So for that we use these kind of colors from over here, and obviously this is not required for us just yet. I'm gonna be closing everything down. Now basic is another one that contains almost every single one of these elements, but not all of them, I must say that. Then there's Gmail. They are basically provided a ton of themes that you can go ahead and work with. Now then there's the tasks folder. We are going to be getting over that a lot in this series. Most probably 10 or 15 videos are going to be in this series. I'm not really sure. Don't take this number literally, because there might be just 4 or 5 more videos and it will be done. So in under the tasks folder, you are going to be finding a couple of things like watch.js, version.js, and readme.md, which you're going to be reading all the way down. Who the hell cares about the readme.md? As a developer, you should care about readme.md. That's my opinion. Now then there's the clean folder, and remember, inside of the gulf file.js they are specifying .task/watch, which means this is the option that they are using. And then they are requiring a couple of things, it's just the node.js going behind the scenes. They are checking out those lists and overrides and the variables type of files. So you can go ahead and get through these files if you are really a nerd, a super nerd. I don't recommend going through if you are just interested in developing a little, thing. In case you really want to go ahead and contribute to the semantic UI, just go through every single piece of code. You gotta know everything. Yes, that's true. So anyways, I guess this is going to be it for this video. If you love this video, just go ahead and slap that like button. In the next video, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I don't have any plan to go ahead and teach you what exactly to do and what exactly not to do. Slap that like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new, by the way, and peace out.